This video is being made to show you how to make a do-it-yourself USB crypto wallet. Basically, our goal is to make something kind of like a Ledger Nano S. If you watch the video and you decide that this is just too much for you to do, go ahead and get yourself a Ledger Nano S. They're on sale. The price is coming down. There's a variety of colors. This is what I use as my first wallet for my bigger cryptocurrencies, and I have a atomic wallet running on a USB stick for my smaller cryptocurrencies that the Ledger Nano S doesn't support yet. But when they do support it, I will probably move those cryptocurrencies over to a Ledger Nano S. But in the meantime, if you feel like getting one, go down into the comments. There's a link there that'll help me out. But let's get on. So the first thing you need is a good quality 32 gigabyte USB 3.0 flash drive. I like SanDisk. You can get those on Amazon. I'll have a link in the description for you. This is one I use. I've used other generic USB drives. While they do work, they seem to be a little bit slower. I like the performance of the SanDisk better than the generic drives. So go ahead and pick yourself up one of these. This kind of looks like the Ledger right there. I think that's kind of cool. So anyway, let's get on with it. After you get the USB drive, the second thing you're going to need is to download the Ubuntu ISO file. The ISO file is basically the image of the operating system, and this is what you're going to use to write to the USB drive. So we're going to download that. I'm not going to download it because I've already have all 3 pieces of software that I need downloaded, but I want to show y'all how to do it. The second thing we need is the universal USB installer, and that can be found at www.pendrivelinux.com. I'm going to leave a link in the description for this as well. And then we need the atomic wallet for Ubuntu. You just download that. Like I said, I already have all this software downloaded to my desktop. I have it in the USB maker file. There's the atomic wallet. There's the Ubuntu image. And this is the universal USB installer tool. We're going to run the universal USB installer tool first. Alright, the first thing you want to do, step 1, you want to drop down here, and we want to tell it Ubuntu, because that's what we're installing. And then we want to browse for that Ubuntu image that we downloaded from Ubuntu, and I've got it on the desktop in the USB maker file folder. Let's open that. The third thing you want to do is select your USB. There's my USB, it's in drive E. And then we want to slide this all the way over. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hit create. Now this is going to override and overwrite everything that's on your USB drive. So it's best to use a brand new one that's never been on the internet before. You don't have to, but that's for security. And but this is going to wipe it clean. So if you have anything on that USB drive that you want to keep, you need to get it off before you do this, because it's going to take everything off. So we're going to click yes. And now the process is starting. This takes about 10 to 15 minutes depending on how fast your drive is and your computer is. But what this is doing is this is putting the Ubuntu operating system onto the USB drive so that you can boot to it. And we're going to let this run and go get a cup of coffee, and it should be up in about 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, so this is what it looks like after the universal USB installer has installed the Ubuntu image onto the USB drive. Now we're ready to boot into it. I'm going to turn the computer off, and I will show you how I get into it, the computer to boot to the USB drive. Okay, so now I'm booting up the computer. And I've hit F12 on my machine because that's what takes me to the boot menu. I'm going to scroll down to UEFI boot. And we're just going to let it time out. And it's automatically going to start booting into Ubuntu. There's the splash screen. All right, there's the desktop. Now what we're going to do is we're going to have to go back to the hard drive of the Windows hard drive and get that Atomic Wallet app and move it onto the USB drive and through Ubuntu. So we're going to go to other locations. And this is the 250 gigabyte drive that has the Windows 7 operating system on it. And we're going to go to users. The name of my computer is Comp1, so we're going to go to Comp1. And I had that file, USB Maker, on the desktop. And there's the Atomic Wallet app image. And we're going to copy that and paste. And then there you have it right there on your Ubuntu desktop. We'll run that. And then there's your your Atomic Wallet. When you get to your wallet, you'll want to create the wallet, and you'll have they'll ask you to put a password here. Let me open my wallet. Okay. I don't have anything stored on here right now. I took everything off to make the video. But here you have all the cryptocurrency, digital assets that are available to be put on here. So say you were going to move Ethereum or Tron. Here's your Tron address. I use Binance, so I have Tron on my Binance wallet. And you would just go to Binance and tell it that you want to send it to this address. Go through all the motions and hit send, and it'll go. That's pretty much it. You can mess around with that. I may make another video and talk about actually using the Atomic Wallet, but this is how to get the Atomic Wallet onto the USB drive with Ubuntu running. The other thing you want to do is check out the airdrop. you can get 25 Atomic Wallet coins for every referral that you sign up. I'm asking the viewers to use my promo code when you sign up, and I'll receive an additional 25 Atomic Wallets for everybody that I sign up. I think this is a really neat tool, and it's something that you can use if you don't want to buy the Ledger Nano S or the Ledger Nano X. I do have a Ledger Nano X and S, but I have the Atomic Wallet for my smaller cryptocurrencies that aren't supported yet. This is a neat way to have a portable drive with you that you can put in your pocket. You can plug it up to any computer, boot to the drive, and you can have access to your Atomic Wallet. This also supports Wi-Fi. So once you plug the drive into the computer, you can connect to the Wi-Fi just like you would on a Windows machine or a Mac machine, and you can do all your moving of cryptocurrencies in and out of this wallet. If anybody has any questions, feel free to drop me an email or a message or leave something in the comments. If this video can be made better, let me know. And like I said, I'll try to make it better. Remember the airdrop? Go ahead and get those free 25 Atomic Wallet coins and help me out and use my promo code, and I can get another 25 Atomic Wallet coins. And if you feel like buying the Ledger Nano S, use my affiliate link in the description. That'll help me out too. That'll help me to make more videos and help other people so that we can secure our cryptocurrencies. Thanks for looking at the video. I appreciate it. Y'all have a great day.